Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful shirt. You can see right here. I used the chiffon material. You can use any material of your choice, Ankara, and I used just 2 yards of it. It's fitted. As you can see, it has zips down, so a breastfeeding mom can use it. Anybody can use it. There's a zipper downward, and with the tie you can make yours long or short. So let's dive right into the tutorials. So I get the length of my shirt, so that is the length. Whatever length you want to use, it depends on you. And then that is my bust measurement. So this is my neck. I get my shoulder measurement now divided by 2, so I place it there like this. I always use my tape to do my division. So I bring that same shoulder measurement down a bit. I get my armhole, which is 10 inches. So after that, I come down for the shoulder slope by 1 inches. So this is my neck, the width of my neck, the opening of how I want the neck to be. I use 3 inches. 3 inches for both sides. Then I get the roundness of the neck, but this is the back. First of all, we are going to be cutting out the back of it. So the back we use it to cut the front. So for the back, the depth of my neck for the back is just 1 inch. Some you can use 1.5. So this is my armhole now. I just curve this way, as you can see it. So after that, we'll go in with our bust measurement, inclusive with our sewing allowance, which is 1.5 sewing, 1.5 inches sewing allowance, my waist measurements with the sewing allowance. Then for this down part, I always use my hip measurements with the sewing allowance because it gets to my hip. So I'm going to connect all the lines together like this. Very easy. Then I cut it. Yeah, I'm cutting it now because I already included my sewing allowance. So after that, I place it. I fold my fabric into 2. I place the back on it. Then I'll be leaving my zipper allowance. If you want to use 2 inches, it's up to you. 1.5 inches, 1 inch is up to you. But for me, I use 1.5 inches for my zipper allowance. So all I need to do is just mark out the zipper on the new fabric. Yes, like this, and then go to the neck. Now for the front, the neck depth is going to be 3 inches. So that's what I'm going to basically do. Sorry, the camera did not capture that. I'm just going to get the neck depth for the front, which is 3 inches. Remember, for the back I used 1.5 inches. So for the front, I will get my neck depth, maintaining the same pattern from the back. So after that, I'm just going to curve it, connect it to the shoulders like this, as you can see. So that's basically all you're going to do. It's very easy. Then after that, this is me connecting it now. You know, when you're working with this fabric, it's not stable, it's always moving. Working with this fabric is always moving, so you have to really be patient and be careful not to make mistakes here. So after that, I go ahead to cut the fabric using the back pattern as an illustration, because everything now is going to be equal length. I just cut them out like this. So you see my 2 pieces are ready. I divide the opening like the front piece. I'm going to divide it. After that is done, the sides I came up by 10 inches. So this is me cutting the arm, like the sleeve. Your desired sleeve length, I use 27. because I want mine to be long and I'm tall with my sewing allowance. So I just curve the armhole because I'll be folding it at the shoulders a bit. So like this. So it's going to be a free hand. So I'm going to use the bigger part of my hand with allowance, which is the bigger part of my hand is the upper part of my hand. So that's what I will just divide it by 2. From my shoulder to the bigger part of my hand is 8 inches. You can use 9 if you want. So I divided the bigger part of my hands divided by 2. That's what I use in getting what I want, inclusive my sewing allowance. So that's what I will use basically to get the full length of the sleeve. It's going to be a free sleeve. So after that, we are going to cut it out like this. Then your sleeve is ready. So for the tie, you can use any length of your choice. How you want it to be wide is up to you. So you go ahead to cut, fold it by 2. So it's going to be long. So now let's go into the sewing tutorials. First, I'm going to use my invisible zip. Place it like this. Sew it down. This place is going to have opening. Yes. Then after that, I'm going to open the fabric. That's the front part like this. Make sure you arrange it properly after sewing. Then you place your back to it like this. I'm going to join the shoulders. That's after sewing my zip. Join the 2 sides with my sewing machine and then hem the down part of it. Then after that, we go ahead to fix the arm, the sleeve. So I'll be using elastic for the down part of it. Just basically fold it and then put in your elastic. So this is me getting the tie. The edge of it, I don't want it to be sharp, so I just curve it this way. Then I'm going to sew it with my machine. Now I will not sew it all through. The part I'm going to be adding to the shirt, I will leave it there. So you have to take the roundness of your neck and get the middle of your sleeve, your tie, leaving it open. So this is it now. Joining the middle of your tie to the middle of your shirt at the back. You join one part first, right side facing each other like this. When you join it this way to the end, you do it to the other side. Now this is me turning it again like this now. So I'm going to sew it properly, putting the zip inside, making it have a fine finishing. So this is basically all you need for your shirt, and your shirt is ready. So this is it. It's very simple. You can make it under 10 to 15 minutes. Thank you all for watching. Please do well to like and subscribe for more. Thank you. Hope you like the shirt. What do you have to say about the shirt? I'm open to hear from you. And where are you watching from? Thank you so much.